Oh, hello. Happy Sunday. Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Family Dollar, and guess what, y'all? We got another 5 off of 25. Family Dollar is really doing the thing lately. They have been trying to get us in the store. So I am here. We are about to put together an all digital scenario that anyone can do using all digital coupons. All you have to do is download the Family Dollar app and enter your phone number in at the register after you use all the same coupons that I am going to use today. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to grab is a couple Gain products. So these are on sale this week for $3.95, you guys. So they're back on sale. And then we have a $2 off one digital coupon. So we're going to grab some liquid fabric softener first, and then we're going to get some detergent. Now we're going to grab our detergent. It is also $3.95. We are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. Now we're going to grab some Purex. So as you can see, these are everyday price for $3, but they're on sale this week for $1.95. We have a digital coupon for $1 off, making these only 95 cents. So the Scott paper towels are on sale this week, and the sales ad for $4.50. We are going to grab one of these, and then we're going to use the $1 off one digital coupon, making these only $3.50. Now we're going to grab a Swiffer duster starter kit. You can get the kit here, or you can get the refills. Both are $4.50, and we are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. Now I want to grab some Dove bar soap. So these are $3.50 everyday price. We are going to get the 3-pack soap, but we have a $2 off two digital coupon, bringing these down to only $2.50. I am going to get one Dove bar soap, and then we're going to grab a deodorant as well. Grabbing my deodorant next, and again, we're going to use that $2 off of two digital coupon. Next up is some palm olive dish soap. So these are $2 regular price, but we have a brand new store coupon for $1 off, making these only $1. But again, I said that this is a store coupon, not a manufacturer coupon. So store coupons apply as instant savings. So we have to act like this item costs $1 when it comes down to calculating our total, meaning that our total now needs to be at least $26 with this factored in. So just keep that in mind. If you haven't seen my video that I did on how to tell the difference between a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon at Family Dollar, I will put that up above, but just keep that in mind when you are applying this to your transaction. All right, you guys, so let's do our quick review of everything that we have in our transaction today. So before we load any other coupons, definitely make sure that your 5 off of 25 is loaded. We are going to grab some Gain detergent. It is $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off digital coupon. We have our Gain fabric softener, $3.95. We're going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. We have our Dove bar soap and deodorant. So the deodorant is $2.25 and the bar soap is $3.50. We're going to use the $2 off two digital coupon. Now, if you're shopping after, I think this coupon expires on Wednesday. If you're shopping after Wednesday and this coupon is expired, then you can substitute out the Dove products for a Gillette razor. So just don't get the Dove and get the razor. Or if you're a man and you don't want the Dove, you just want to get some razors, you can substitute a Gillette razor instead of the Dove products, and your total should actually come out $1 cheaper as well. So just keep that in mind. And then the Purex, we are going to use the $1 off one digital, and it is $1.95. We have our Scott paper towels on sale for $4.50. We are going to use the $1 off one digital. We have our Swiffer dusters for $4.50. We're going to use the $2 off one digital. And then we have our palm olive, which is $2, and we're going to use the $1 off one store coupon. Our total before our store coupon and 5 off of 25 should be $26.60. After our $1 store coupon for the palm olive comes off, we will still be over 25 because we will be at $25.60. We're going to use that 5 off of 25 plus all of those other digital coupons. Let's go check out.
$6.60.
All right, you guys, that went well. We got our Dove, we got our Palmolive, our Swiffer dusters, Purex, Gain, and our paper towels. Let me show you an up close of our receipt. So there is the Dove with our $2 digital, the Scott paper towels, our $1 digital, the Purex, our $1 digital, the Gain, our $2 digital, the Palmolive, and y'all see for the Palmolive how that says FD Smart coupon. That's how we know that's a store coupon. And then there's the Gain Blissful Breeze, the fabric softener. We got our $2, and then the last coupon is our 5 off of 25. Subtotal came up to $10.60. We had a total savings of $16, y'all. $16 in savings, and we got us some Dove and some paper towels. Now remember again that you can swap out for the Gillette razor if you don't need the Dove. Your total will actually come out probably $1 cheaper as well. So that is an alternative there, but I would rather have the Dove products. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.